to skill builder number 6, number 1. So we have a system of equations and they want us to solve it. So our system of equations is x plus y equals 12 and 2x plus y equals negative 35. So what we can do for a system of equations is we can substitute. So if I solve this equation, if I put it in terms of x, so if I say y equals, let me just think. If I say y equals, and I subtract x from both sides, so I get y equals negative 12 minus x. Then I have the value for y, and I can plug that value for y into this equation. So I could say 2x plus, and instead of saying plus y, I'll say negative 12 minus x, because that's the value of y. Negative 12 minus x equals negative 35. So now what we're going to do is we're going to solve for x, because we need to solve for x in order to solve for y. So just simplifying. These are like terms like that. And I'm going to add both sides. So I have x equals negative 23. So next, what we can do is we can plug negative 23 in for either of these equations. Instead of x, we say negative 23 because we know negative 23 is x. So I'm going to do that. Negative 23 plus y equals negative 20. And now we can solve for y because we don't have any other variables. So I'm going to add 23 to both sides. And I end up with y equals 11. And that is the answer.
The superintendent of a school district awarded a total of $5,000 in bonuses to the most productive teachers that helped impact student achievement this past year. The bonuses were awarded in the amount of $500 or $1,000. If at least one 500 bonus and at least one 1,000 bonus were awarded, what is a total possible number of $500 bonuses awarded? Okay, so the thing you're going to want to do is, since you're finding how many 500s there are, you are going to subtract however many 1,000 bonuses that you get, that are possible to get. So you can actually get 4 answers for this question, but the most simple thing you can do is take 500 x plus 1,000. X represents how many bonuses there would be that would be worth $500. I'm sorry, I need to make room for this. And then set that equal to 5,000 because that is the total of all of the bonuses awarded. So then you would subtract 1,000 from both sides because you are getting rid of at least one $1,000 bonus. So you would have it equal to $4,000 since you subtracted that out. So then you get 500x equals $4,000. So you are going to isolate x by dividing both sides by 500 because that is the bonus and we're trying to find how many bonuses there are that are $500. So then you get x equals 8. So 8 is a possible number for a $500 bonus if you're finding $1,000 bonuses and $500 bonuses.
Great. You have 2 equations. Rx plus Sy equals 24 and 4x plus 16y equals 120. In the system of equations above, R and S are constants. If the system has an infinite number of solutions, what is the value of R over S? Since these are infinite solutions, you can multiply you want these, because if you're subtracting the two, 0 equals 0. So multiply the top above by 5. So then you get 5rx plus 5sy equals 120. And that's 4x plus 16y equals 120. Since these are equaling 0, you know that 5r equals 4 and 5s equals 16. So r equals 4/5 and s equals 16/5. And you want r over s. So you have So you have 4/5 over 16/5, which can also be written as 4/5 times 5/16. Cancel up the 5s, and your answer is 4/16, which simplifies to 1/4.